So basically, OSINT is like a main source of information gathering. OSINT is information gathering from publicly available source and its analysis to produce an actionable intelligence. Okay, like in like it is a passive techniques for information gathering. Okay, and OSINT is harvesting data from legitimate source such as online search engines, websites, social media platforms, and professional social networks, and as well as whatever the thing which is open source available on the internet. They are gathering data from there. Okay, so let's see like OSINT framework we have here, and let's see if we have to gather any data. Okay, and how we can go for it. Like if you have to go for username, and you can just like first this framework is hosted on the website. Like this is the OSINT framework. Okay, so you can just go on this link and have look up this. Okay, so like if you want to go for username, you can click here. So basically it will give you a mind map. So basically what username you want. So I want username search engines, and you can see these are some search engine, and these all are open source, and this is publicly free as well as. And if you want with specific sites, you can go with these things: Amazon usernames, Amazon Westlist, GitHub user, Tinder user, Keybase. Okay, and if you want to go with this, like you can go with this type of, or if you have to gather information about email addresses, then you can go for email search, common email formats, common email verification part, breach data, spam reputation list, or mail blacklist. Okay, you can same thing, you can go with domain name, like DNS thing, who is record, subdomains, discovery, certificate search, passive DNS, reputations, domain blacklist, typo squatting, analytic, URL expander, change detection, social analysis, DNS sec, cloud sources, vulnerabilities, and tools. Okay, like if you want anything from here, like if you want to gather any data from open source, you can use this framework. Okay, for gathering data, like we have lots of tool. Almost 90% of tool is like it's working for like working with OSINT part. They are taking data from here only, and they're displaying you. Like we have multiple tools in our GitHub part. Okay, lots of developer used to make the tool by taking this as a base concept. Okay, as you can see, like we have tools. So let's go for OSINT automation. Okay, so you can see these are some tools like data exploit, spiders, food, thread spy, photon, recon doll. Okay, so these are some tools over here. And if you want to go with like pentesting recon, so go with this. Like this is a tool like low hanging fruits. Okay, now, if you want to go for virtual machines, so basically we have VMware, VirtualBox, Buzzcutter OS, Kali Linux OS, Parrot Okay, these are some OS. Now, the Maltego part, like it's a Petreva Maltego. So this is a very if you're talking about open source, of course, you have to talk about Maltego. Basically, this is the one of the largest tool, okay, and the best tool if we will talk about open source. Okay, now we have Epic Privacy browser and the overview like this. Okay, we have lots of things like if you want if you go in documentation part, like training part. So automating OSINT.com, Open Source Intelligent Technique, Placer, or Sans, or Net Bootcode, or Smart Questions. Okay. So like by using OSINT framework, you can have each and every information what you want. Like you have to just follow the map or mind map. Okay. Or you can also use your own technique as well as like if you are doing pen testing. Okay. So of course, after some time you will develop your own methodology. So you can follow that one also. But you can take this as a base. Okay, and by this you can collect any type of information. As you can see here, we have different section for each type of information. Like if you want to gather information from dark web, you can see like dark web, and these are some source. From here you can get some informations. Okay, like you want some metadata from anything. So like you can see here, these are some exip tool, metagofil, foca, code tool, outlook. Okay, so these are some excellent tool which is working. Like the base concept is like they are gathering data from like legitimate source only, the online services or like search engines, websites, like social media platform, social networking sites, and job portal sites. So whatever the thing which is available on the online platform, like on the internet, okay, they are just collecting data from there and they are using for making this tool more better and better, so that a pen tester or a hacker could use this tool for information gathering part. So of course this is the one of the major part which we have to focus on this. If you are doing information gathering, it's not matter that you are doing pen testing or like you are doing any type of hacking. Of course we need this, okay. So it's better to understand this and you should follow this for any type of hacking. Okay.